Okay, students, we will solve a Venn diagrams problem, exercise 2b. See, question number 3 I have taken. There are few questions in this. Very nice subject, I will tell you. Things are very simple once you understand Venn diagram. Nothing, if a Venn diagram is given to you, you know what are the reasons of the diagram indicate what, then solving is very nice. Okay, and then if you have to draw a Venn diagram, you see first in the universal how many subsets are there and what are the natures of the subset, what is the relation between the subset. If they are overlapping set, then two circle, keeping the overlapping region as one circle, taking some of the part of the other circle. That if they are disjoint nature, then draw separate two circle in that universal set. If one is the subset of other one, then you draw a bigger circle and inside the circle another circle you draw it. Okay, now I have taken question number 3. Question number 3 is a very good question. I will tell you. This is the Venn diagram given to you in a book, and then all the elements are placed. You know, set P is having this particular circle. All the elements inside this is set P. You see, these three sets are P, Q, and R. Three are interrelated, all three are overlapping sets. So three sets overlapping, not two sets overlapping. Now, what is, first of all, you see in this diagram, which is P intersection Q intersection R. That means three sets common element is what? Only G. You see, this particular region is only for P, Q, and R, for all the three sets. Now, if you see P intersection Q will be what? This particular region. This here to here. Now, Q intersection R will be here to here. P intersection R will be here to here. And you can restore the complement part, living with whichever set it is, the element of that particular set. Okay, we'll go. What is given to you? You have to find, this diagram is given to you, you need to find U, universal set. What is that? Universal set. All the elements together. Don't leave any element. You just do what? It is always better to write the elements in order. If you don't write the element in order, there is no mathematical mistake. You can very well put comma and add the element. But see, don't miss any element or don't repeat an element. That is what you should do. So what you will be, see, if you see now A, B, C, D, E, then till R it will be. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. All these things till R it is. So what you have done? After E I have put ellipsis and then comma, then R. Till R. In that order till R. U. Now moving on to P. P will be the set, this is only U. So what are the things are there? J, M, P, F, G, H. That is what? F, G, H, J, M, P. Okay. Now Q will be what? Here. Q will be what? This is. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, and M. Could you understand? Okay, this particular circle. All. Now R will be what? This particular circle. What are the? G, H, K, L, I, and M. That is what R. Now P complement, living these elements. That means living 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rest all, including this. Okay, so it will be A, B, C, D, E, I, N, K, L, O, Q, R. That is will be P complement. Definitely it is in P complement will be that. Okay, these are all the element. Now Q complement will be of living the Q regions, all the element living those. So these all you have to leave. So what are the things are that like J, M, P, H, K, L, O, Q, R. Very nicely you can write down putting comma all these elements. Now it is over. Then R complement will be leaving this region. So what will be that? J, M, P, F, A, B, C, D, E, J, M, P, F, O, Q, R. You understand that R complement. Now P intersection Q. P intersection Q. This here, where the intersection part is there, for like this, where the three sets are there, that their codes are very nice. We see P intersection Q. P intersection Q will be P and Q intersection part is this particular is F and G. F and G. You understand me? Now Q intersection R is what? Q intersection R is what? This particular is. So G, I and N. This. Could you understand? G, I and N. Now P minus Q. P minus Q is this part only. Leaving the element of Q, what is lying in P? So J, M, P, H. So J, M, P, H is the same. Now Q minus R, leaving Q and R, leaving the Q part. So Q part, if you leave it, H, K, L, it will be Q minus R. That is Q minus Q. Q minus R, it will be, it is written wrong. It has to be, it is Q minus R, then it will be only those elements of the set which is Q minus R. It will be A, B, C, D, yes, these all things. Leaving R element of these things. A, B, C, D, E. I think that was only written. E, F, G, G will not be. E, F, S, F, this much. That means this part, leaving this one. Could you understand? Q minus R. R sets element will not be included. Now P minus R, this two set, this particular, leaving P minus R will be this leaving this all element I, J, M, P, F. J, M, P, F. I hope you have understood it. You should go. If it is given to you, A, P intersection Q intersection R will be only G. You understand me? Things are very easy once you just can monitor the Venn diagram. Now I am taking question number 7. This is another important question. See, given to you NQ, universal set cardinal number given to you 20, and cardinal number of set A is given to you as 12. Now cardinal number of set B is given to you as 4, and cardinal number of A intersection B complement, not A intersection B. Leaving A intersection B, what is there in the universal set? That cardinal number is 17. It would be better always if you draw a Venn diagram, universal set. Cardinal number part you write down. First, intersection complement is 17 and total cardinal number is 20. 20 and 17. These two will come in action first. Why? The total number of element is 20, but out of that, intersection part, if you leave it, then leaving intersection part, remaining will be 17. That means intersection part, how much is lying? 20 minus 17. That will have, from there you have to what? Given to you, NQ is equal to 20, A intersection B is 17, A intersection B complement is 17. Therefore, A intersection B will be 20 minus 17. That is the first answer. Complement given to you and total given to you. Definitely, this set will be what? This set cardinal number will be what? 20 minus 17. That is what you have. Now you have to take out. What? Second question is asked to you. You have to find out NA union B. See, NA union B. Once you know, that is a form. That is a formula, if you want to find out the union set or intersection set, and if you know both the sets, then that is a formula. Either of the thing you need to know. First of all, you need to know the cardinal number of both the subset and either intersection or intersection's cardinal number. If you know, then other one you can find out. The formula is sum of both the sets, both the subset minus either intersection or union, the other one you will find. So if it is you are giving subtracting from the sum of the cardinal number of both the subset, you are subtracting either intersection part, you will get union part. You are subtracting union part, you will get intersection part. So Na plus Nb minus Na intersection B will be Na union. That is the formula. So Na you know, that is 12, Nb you know 4,
and A intersection we just took out now 3. You can very well find out in A union B. So it will be 16 minus 3, that is 13. Now in A minus B, now you know the union part also, and A minus B, how will you find out? A minus B is, that particular set minus the intersection part. That particular set minus the intersection part will be that A minus B, this part. Because complete cardinal number will be including this intersection part. If you leave it with the total, then you will find out the subtraction part. You understand me? So NA minus NA intersection B, that is 12 minus 3, that is 9. NB minus is also similarly NB, because B minus you have to know NB minus intersection part. Cardinal number, if you subtract, then that will come. Better you draw a Venn diagram. See, after you find the intersection part, intersection part you write down 3. Okay, NA is how much total? NA is 12. So here leaving 3, how much is left here? 12 minus 3, that is 9. Okay. Now NB is total is 4. Leaving this part, here is lying 1, 4, and 3 plus 1, 4. So total is 4. Now got it. So A union B, once you have got it now, then how much is the total universal set cardinal number? If you add this thing, is 13. 13 plus 7 is 17. So if you draw a Venn diagram, things will be very easy. To draw the Venn diagram for all these things, now you first find out the intersection parts value, so that the things will be easy. I hope you have understood it. Go through, you will understand better.